Okay, let's get started. Hello, my name is Go Dong-woo from Global Economics, and I brought one fun story of legend Reggie Miller. The NBA final is currently underway. The momentum of the Indiana Pacers, who have consistently overturned expectations and created upsets from underdogs, is particularly impressive. They have advanced to the finals for the first time in 25 years ago, and they are continuing to show interesting basketball play with new superstar Tyrese Halliburton. So, what kind of players were there in the history of those 25 years ago? This is the story of legend Reggie Miller, a legend who comes to mind as a three-point shooter, clutch player, and franchise star. He was the most famous for his accurate and numerous three-point shots. He also needed a lot of chances to do that, so he was very good at making off-the-ball moves. In that sense, he reminds me of Klay Thompson. He was also a player who played basketball with a short touch, making simple play and creating high scores with those few touches. Considering that the aces of a team usually have the ball for a long time, it can be seen as a very unique and great style. Another his symbol is Miller Time. He was given this nickname because he performed particularly well in important situations such as end part of games and the playoff games. Miller time is a word that originated from the playoff game, which was the most historic moment among them. After this game, he became synonymous with clutch players and showed decisive performances, leading the team to victory in many playoff games. A king should never leave his kingdom. This is what he said, a franchise star who played for only one team, Pacers. We cannot blame many players for changing teams for championship rings and money, but the reason his name is mentioned every offseason, like Nowitzki, is probably because he is a symbol of the team Pacers. Thank you for your listening.